In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Ctrader leverage. Leverage controls how much exposure you can take on with the funds in your account, so it directly affects margin requirements and how quickly profits and losses can move. Use it thoughtfully and always be aware of your broker's rules and any regional limits that might apply. Start by opening Ctrader and make sure you're in the correct trading account you want to adjust. If you use multiple accounts or profiles, glance at the account selector to confirm you're on the right one before you proceed. Next, open your chart. It can be any symbol. The goal is simply to be inside the trading workspace so that all platform settings are available. Having a chart open helps ensure the relevant menus and panels appear in the layout you expect. Now, head to Settings, located at the bottom left corner of the Ctrader desktop interface. You'll typically see a gear icon or a label that says Settings. If your layout looks a little different because of a theme or version update, hover over the icons until you see it, but it's almost always in that lower left area. Inside Settings, click on the Properties tab. This is where Ctrader groups many trading-related preferences. Depending on your broker's branding, you may see additional sections, but Properties is the place that surfaces leverage options when they're available for adjustment on your account. In the Properties section, locate the Leverage drop-down and choose the desired level. Common options range from conservative settings, like 110 or 130, up to higher levels, such as 100 or 1,500, depending on your broker and region. Keep in mind, higher leverage reduces the margin required per trade, but amplifies risk. If the drop-down is grayed out or not visible, that usually means your broker sets leverage at the account level and you may need to request a change through their client portal or support. Once you've selected your preferred leverage, save or confirm the change. Look for a button labeled Save, Apply, Confirm, or OK. The platform may prompt you to acknowledge the impact on margin, and some brokers require an additional confirmation. After saving, give the platform a moment to update. It's a good idea to glance at your account information panel to ensure the new leverage is reflected and understand how your available margin has changed. Remember that leverage adjustments can affect existing positions immediately, so review your risk and position sizes accordingly. That's it. You've successfully changed your Ctrader leverage. Trade safely, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.